Hey guys, this is Molly from American Dream House, and I'm here to show you how to hang up our snaps product. So snaps are a banner set of little images, and you can use them to decorate your bedroom. So let's get started. So when you get your set, you're gonna open it up, and you have your snaps, and then you have your little mini clothespins and string. So you're gonna open up your snaps, and that's what these are. You should have 9 of them. And then this is what you use to hang them up. So it's little tiny clothespins and then a string with loops on the end. So there's a couple different ways you can hang these up. I like to use clear push pins because you can't see them, but if you don't want to make holes in your walls, you can use little command hooks. Get them anywhere. You can also use tape.